Guys, I have the juice. I'm about to show you how to make the most juiciest reverse sear New York strip steak with a side of delicious garlic shrimp. Guys, this is so easy to make and you're going to love it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you do not miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. All right, to begin, we have ourselves 2 New York strips. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, give them a nice little massage, get them all well coated in that olive oil. Massage them real good, guys. Next, we are going to move on to the seasoning, and you know we about to be generous. On the screen, I have a list of everything you're gonna be using to season up your steak. I know some people, they like to only use salt and pepper. Oh, you know, you're not gonna taste the steak if you put too much seasoning. No, forget all that, guys. This is the way to go. I'm trying to tell you, you will not regret it. Go generous, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and just pack it in just like I did. You want to go ahead and give these bad boys a flip and then season up the opposite side of the steak just like so, guys. Once that's complete, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 250 degrees and lay your steak on a wire rack just like so, and pop these things in and keep your thermometer handy, guys. Very important. On the screen, I have a chart basically explaining this whole process. You want to pull your steak out of the oven when it reaches 15 degrees short of your target temperature. For example, if you're looking for a medium, you want to pull it at 125 and then finish it off on a skillet just like so. So I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil in this pan, got it nice and hot, and we're gonna drop our steaks up in there and let them do their thing just for a little bit. Once that first side is nice, brown and beautiful, we're gonna give it a flip and let the opposite side brown up a little bit as well. Once that's browned up a little bit, we're gonna drop in some butter, we're gonna drop in some garlic, we're gonna drop in some rosemary, and we're gonna baste these steaks, guys. And of course, we're using unsalted butter, guys. I never use salted butter just because you want to kind of control how much salt is in your recipe, and salted butter is just gonna boost it all the way up. So I never ever buy salted butter because it's honestly it's pointless to me because you want to control your salt. So like I said, we got our butter, our garlic, we got our rosemary, and we're gonna let them do their thing. We're gonna baste the steak, get it nice and beautiful, guys. And this whole process of searing the steak, guys, is very quick because remember, these were in the oven. These are very close to target temperature, so you don't want to spend too much time searing these because you're gonna overcook them just like that. Believe me, I'm just gonna give them a nice little base with that butter, get everything talking, all these flavors talking to each other, and then we're gonna remove them out of the pan, let them rest as we move on to that garlic shrimp. So moving on to our garlic shrimp, I'm just gonna drop a little bit of olive oil in this pan and then go ahead and drop in our shrimp. These are already peeled and deveined with the tail on. And then I'm gonna drop a little bit of salt, a little bit of onion powder, and shortly you're gonna see me toss in some minced garlic as well as chopped parsley after I get that butter in there. So basically you're gonna combine all these ingredients, let them do their thing, let them talk, let them get tasty. Guys, this takes absolutely no effort. This is so easy, guys. And again, so delicious. Who doesn't love some garlic shrimp? because I know I do. And at this point, guys, your kitchen is smelling amazing, guys. Food is just about done. Got the shrimp simmering, looking oh so delicious. This is the end result. You have yourself some awesome surf and turf. You have a perfectly cooked New York strip steak. You have yourself some delicious, oh so flavorful garlic shrimp. Guys, this is top notch, top level, out of this world, out of this universe. Guys, this just left me speechless. You should have saw me munching on this. I should have recorded it because, man, I was making all type of noises because it was that good. I'm trying to tell you, so much juice. Like I told you in the beginning, I got all the juice, guys. I know you see it. We ain't playing no games around here. I'm trying to tell you, this is just an amazing recipe. You're gonna love it. Your family gonna love it. Your mama, your daddy gonna love it. Your girlfriend, grandmama, your neighbor. Everybody gonna love this recipe. So easy to make, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And now I want to give a special shout out to all of our channel members. Really appreciate all you guys. Special shout out to our newest member, PJ Hoffman. Appreciate it, man. I love each and every one of you guys, as well as everybody else watching the video. I appreciate all the support you guys give me. Like I said, hope you enjoyed watching the video. I will see you on the next recipe. Deuces.